Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Little Wonder Arts. For Deepavali, everyone wants some quick and easy ideas to decorate their homes. Here are few easy ideas to brighten up your home. Before beginning, a small request, give thumbs up if you like it. Do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get notifications as soon as new video is uploaded. So let's start. 1. Floating of water candles. For this, take transparent bowl or glasses of any shape. Take water. Half the water has to be filled in bowl or glasses. Take any hard plastic, cut round circles. Make candles attractive. Use food color and mix it in water. Even acrylic or any other color can be used to mix in water. In some, using aqueous balls, beads or leaves for decorating. The remaining part of the glasses or bowl has to be filled with the oil. Use any cooking oil. Take transparent cutouts and make a hole and insert wicks in it. Once you are done, these beautiful candles are ready to use. Lit them and see the beauty of these candles. DIY 2 quick lamp. For this, use carton packaging board or board used for craft work. The only difference is the lamp made by using packaging carton board is easy and quick. For this, using carton board. For this, take a piece of board and draw spiral shape. Now cut this spiral shape. The cutout is ready. Now color it with any color. I am using this metallic red color. Color it from both the sides and your lamp is ready. How beautiful it is looking. So make your own lamp and brighten up your house. A second way to make lamp using craft board. It is not quick but looks equally good, so do the same that we did with the first one. Draw and cut the shape. The fall of the lamp is long as craft board is used. To reduce this long fall, here's a trick. Take 4 tablespoons of white cement, 2 tablespoons of white glue, mix it with water, apply this paste on both sides, leave it for drying. Fall reduces on drying. Make paper straws. To make paper straw, take a piece of paper, use barbecue stick to make a roll and make a paper straw. Paste paper straw to give support. Here I have used 3 paper straws. The lamp is ready. Now apply color on it. Using golden acrylic color. It is suggested always use acrylic colors or fabric colors as on drying it gets waterproof. Here on this I have used metallic red color on straws. The lamp is looking so elegant and beautiful, so brighten up your home by using this lamp too. DIY 3 make a paper bag. Follow steps to make paper bag. It is very easy to make. Once the paper bag is ready, you can even use paper bags available in the market. I am drawing some shapes on it. My paper bags are ready. On this one I have made 3D butterflies. Place candles in it and brighten up your homes. These lamps look so beautiful. So create your own. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.